Welcome to Money Smarts, your passport to financial wisdom. At Money Smarts, we're on a mission to empower young adults and teens with the tools they need to thrive in the financial world. Our game is more than just fun, it's a transformative experience. We're here to teach you financial literacy like never before. Discover how to budget wisely, save for your dreams, invest for your future, and most importantly, how to steer clear of those tricky financial pitfalls. We don't just teach. We empower you to navigate the financial jungle with confidence. Bring your friends along for the ride. Compete, challenge each other, and grow together as financially savvy individuals. Join the ranks of those who've transformed their lives with the Money Smarts. Real stories, real success. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Embark on your journey to financial literacy today. Money Smarts, where financial literacy meets empowerment.